Dino Wesson. I got another unboxing revealing to y'all. You know what? Let's just get back into the video. Let's get right back. Let's get right into the video. I've been kind of I haven't been posting lately. I've got a lot of stuff going on, so I apologize for that. But try to do a 4-part video today. Keep y'all update. I got a few subscribers now, and I appreciate. Thank you for the love. And if you like the content, subscribe, comment. I've been loving the feedback that I've been getting. Let's keep it going. Let's build up this Dino fam. Let's keep it going here. All right, I'm gonna get right into it with y'all. All right, let's get into it. For my first reveal today, what do we got for y'all? A handy dandy cutter. Let me see. Knife. Finally found it. Alright, got something for y'all that I think y'all like. Alright. Y'all see what this is. I got this from the Supreme website. I don't know if this is one of the more hyper release or not, but I copped it. Come with the BOGO stickers. This is my first Supreme purchase. It's kind of bent. No big deal, no big deal. I said this is my first purchase from them. Came into this with this little clear white bag. I'm gonna do a more in detail video for y'all. So there we go. I have to open this up for y'all. I know if you into reselling that you shouldn't open the bag. I think it loses value like that, if I'm not mistaken. If y'all know, get into the comment box, let me know. I'm trying to give y'all a detailed look. Alright, y'all. This is a pink Supreme jersey. Let me see. So I have on this bag. This is a Ankh hockey jersey, pink. If y'all know what this is, what that stands for, get in the comment box, let me know. This is one of the more recent drops. Look at it. It has this symbol in the middle of it. It's pink. It has yellow and black stripe on the sleeves. Yellow and black stripe on the sleeve. There's a black neckline. Supreme tag. It's a large size. On the back, the numbers read 94. I'm not sure what that means, but I don't know. Maybe that's the year that Supreme was founded. Supreme, like a golden lettering on the back. Yeah, I saw it, and I think it was actually the only color that was available when I purchased it. I don't really have a lot of pink in my wardrobe, but I'm gonna see if I can make it work. Tell me this, what y'all like, how y'all feeling this. This is a cop for y'all. Are y'all rocking this or y'all walking past this? Tell me if y'all want me to keep doing videos like this. Tell me what y'all think about this. Give me more information about it. Let me know more about Supreme. I'm brand new to it, and like I said, y'all keep checking me out. The views is great. Keep viewing. The likes, the dislikes. I love it all. I like the feedback that y'all giving me. Shout out to my recent subscribers. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Dino Wesson, gone.